Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have done a Diwali Glam makeup look. So this is a makeup look that very easy and very attractive. This makeup look you can easily carry, and this look will go on everyone and everyone can carry this look. Everyone will look beautiful on this look. So if you want to see how I've created this look, then please watch this video till the end. I have already prepped my skin with a moisturizer, and now I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. So this is a primer I'm going to use. So whenever in winter, always try to use a dewy primer. It gives that shine in your face and that glow in your face, and your face keeps hydrated for long hours. So in summer you can use a matte primer, but for winter definitely go for dewy primers. And now I'm going to blend this primer all over in my face with the help of my fingers. See, my face is looking so hydrated and it gives that natural glow in my skin. In Superstay foundation, so here my shade is 128 Warm Nude. So this is come with this pump. So I'm going to take this foundation a little bit, and then I'm going to blend this foundation with the damp beauty sponge. So I'm blending it very softly. To use Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. So here I'm going to use this concealer in my inner corner of my eyes, under my eyes, and outside and outer corner of my eyes. And again I'm going to blend this with the help of a damp beauty sponge. And also I'm going to use this in my highlighted points. And now I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contour palette, and here I'm going to take this banana powder. I'm going to set my foundation. So once my foundation, I have set my foundation, and now I'm going to use a Lakme Absolute eyeshadow palette, and here I'm going to take this pink shade. And I'm dusting it off, and now I'm going to use this in the center of my lid, rather in my upper lid area, and I'm blending it very softly. So blending is a key in your eyeshadow. You will once you will give much time in blending, your eyeshadow will look flawless. And now I'm going to take this purple shade. Again I am dipping it in this, and I'm just dusting off the excess. And now I'm blending it in the inner corner of my eyes to have that depth in my eye look. And now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rosé in the Air. So here I'm going to take this golden shimmer shade. I'm going to use it in the center of my eyelid. having this shimmer shade, again I am going to use this brush and I am blending it all together to have that seamless look. And again I am using this Lakme eyeshadow palette, and here again I am taking this light peach shade and using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use it in my lower lash line area. And now I'm going to use a Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown. Use this close mirror so that I can draw my eyeline with this kajal. Flat brush and going to smudge my kajal. And now I'm going to wear my falsies. Here I'm going to use pack eyelashes. This is in pack 59 eyelashes I'm going to use. So now I'm going to, after wearing my falsies, now I'm going to use Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. So it's a waterproof mascara, so you can easily wear this and you can stay for long hours, and it gives a good volume in your lashes. It's done. My eye look has already been done. Here I'm going to use Wet n Wild contour palette. This is in the shade Dulce de Leche. So here I'm going to take this bronze shade. I'm going to contour my cheekbones. This brush up till here. From here I'm going to take this here. And now I'm going to contour my nose. Now I'm going to contour my jawline area. Today I am going to use this eyeshadow palette, and in this eyeshadow palette I am going to use this light pink shade as a blush. And now I'm going to use this Sugar Contour palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and here I'm going to take this highlighter, and this is also very pigmented. It gives that glow and it will not look chalky. I'm going to use in the center of my nose. So going to use in my eyebrow bone area. In my upper lips and in my chin. I'm going to use Nika eyebrow definer pencil. So here I'm going to draw my eyebrows. So first I'm going to brush my eyebrows. So usually eyebrow need to be done first, so as I forget today to do my eyebrows, so that's why I'm doing it last. So I'm going to take this close mirror to draw my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are done now. And now I'm going to use the lipstick. So here I'm going to use Nykaa matte lipstick. So this is in the shade Game On. So this is also a very good matte lipstick and gives full pigmentation. So once I will complete my whole look, and then I will show you my final look. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy this video, then please hit the like button, and also let me know that which looks look good more on me, because in last few videos I have tried some traditional look, and I think traditional looks look more beautiful on me rather than western look. So what do you think? Traditional look looks more beautiful on me or western look? Let me know. I'm eager to know from you all that which looks look more good on me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, be part of this family, and please subscribe my channel, because I'll be coming up with more interesting content, and my video will be more informative for you, so that you can learn from my videos. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye.